Hey, Mr. Martin. My name is Brooke. I'm with Snowdrop Digital Marketing. In this video, I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks on how you can enhance your online presence. These three things will optimize your website for Google, enhance your platform to convert more customers, and get more traffic to your website. The three things will be content, citations, and backlinks. But first, let's go over what exactly we're trying to reach with all of these things. When people need a service, they're going to Google it. So roofing in Wichita, Kansas, the first thing that pops up are the Google guaranteed ads. Then there's the regular Google ads, the Google business page, and the organic listings. Okay, about 30% of your business should come from the GBP, and the remaining 70% should be coming from the organic listings. The Google guaranteed ads are great. If you can get in there, then absolutely do that. I believe I saw your company at the bottom. It does have a higher auditing process, but you have a higher trust with the customers versus the regular ads. Um, okay, so the first thing is content. That's everything you see on your page, the words, the images, what the image is saved as, and even the space behind the image. What Google does is they have these web crawling bots, and 24/7 they crawl every single website on the internet. They gather information and then they use that information that they've gathered to determine where you are ranked on the Google search page when someone looks for roofing in Wichita, Kansas. Google prefers that you have at least 1,500 words on your page, and they want your keywords to be spread throughout them. I have a tool, it's a free tool called SEO Quake, and it shows me how many words you have on your page. So you have 1,600, so that's doing great. But I noticed that your company is named Dolphin Construction and Remodeling and Roofing. But the website only targets roofing, so I'm not sure what's going on with that. The next thing we're going to talk about is the citation. That is a direct reference for your company's name, phone number, and address. You will find these on Facebook, Yelp, LinkedIn, Yellow Pages. The more citations, the better. You do not want to stop at how many Road and Roofing has. You want to beat them by at least 50 or even 100. That way you can stay above them and completely dominate them in the GMB. Okay, and I have a website crawler tool. This is where backlink comes in. A backlink is a voting system. It's more like a popularity contest with the internet. Um, so it's a reference from one website to your website, and not all backlinks are created equal. You want your backlinks to have a high power rating, which is right here, and you want them to be relevant to the services that you provide on your website. Um, so you want higher quality backlinks, not just every backlink that you can get. All right, according to this, you are getting one person on your website each month. You are being found for 89 keywords. You have 43 websites giving you 247 backlinks. So looking at the power and the trust rating, the backlinks that your marketing service is getting you are not the best backlinks, so they're kind of wasting your time and money. I don't know about you, but whenever I pay for a service, I want to see the best results that I can get. I want to know that the person that I'm hiring knows what they're doing and they're going to take care of me like how I take care of my customers. I'm going to compare your top two competitors for roofing in Wichita. So here is Road and Roofing. They are number one in the GMB and they are number one in the organic listings. So they have a good amount of information on their website as well. They have a high power rating, non-existent trust rating. They're getting over 1,000 people on their website each month, but what is saving their booty is they have almost 4,000 keywords. They have so much content, Google doesn't even care about their power rating and their trust rating and their backlinks. Okay, here is Heat and Roofing, and they have some videos on their website. Google also uses how quick your website loads customers to determine where they ranked. I'm sorry for the noise. I have someone putting in new doors. Isn't that ironic? Um, so this is what you want your your website to look like. You want to have 18 power, 18 trust. They have 531 keywords and they're getting 262 people on their website each month. 30% of those clicks to their website are high qualified leads, and as long as they have good sales, they're going to convert all 30% of those 262 customers. All right, they have a good amount of backlinks and they have higher quality backlinks. They may have just started this. So without the content, the backlinks are useless. We can look at the keywords here. If you want to see this information yourself, Google Analytics is great and they are more accurate. And I believe that should be free for your business. If not, it'll be just like a low charge. So right here, you're on the third page, bottom of the second. These are the keywords that they have on your website. So with these keywords, you should be ranked if they were doing the backlinks correctly. You should be number one, but instead you're on the third page. Alrighty, hopefully this information was helpful. Again, you can do all of this yourself. If you want to hear more and see if I can help your business, please reach out and we can schedule a short phone call. And then I can do more research and we can go from there. Hopefully you enjoyed this and it will help your business. Thank you, Mr. Martin, and have a great day.